Good morning, student. Now we are discuss about the classification of the phylum Porifera is divided into the three classes. The first class, that is the Calcarea, second class Hexactinellida, and third class, that is the Demospongilla. First class, that is the Calcarea, second Demospongilla, and third one is the Hexactinellida. The first class, that is the class Calcarea, it is made up of the calcareous sponges, have spicules of calcium carbonate that often form a fringe around the osculum main water outlet. Spicules needle shape or 3 or 4 red. All three types of canal systems, asconide, cyconide and leuconide represented, all are marine. The example of the class Calcarea is the Scypha, Leucosolinia and Clethrina. The first example, that is the Scypha. First example, that is the Scypha. It is the example of the class Calcarea. The class Calcarea includes the calcareous sponges or chalk sponges. All the calcareous sponges are marine and occur in shallow waters. They are of small size, growing up to 15 cm. They are solitary or colonial, forming branching masses. The skeleton of these sponges is composed of calcareous spicules. They are either monaxon, triradiate, or tetraxon type. The canal system may be asconide, cyconide, or leuconide type. Reproduction asexual or sexual type. Asexual reproduction takes place by budding or by the formation of reduction bodies. In sexual reproduction, the embryo develops into amphiblastula. Cyconide sponge or the Scypha are marine, usually found in shallow water, lives in fine detritus material and a variety of planktonic organisms in water. Solitary sponge that may live single or form clusters by budding. Vase shape, typically 1 to 3 cm long, with a fringe or straight spicules around the osculum. The soft body wall consists of 3 layers: thin flat cells which comprise the outer epidermis, the pinacocytes, inner lining or choanocytes, gelatinous mesochyle which bear undifferentiated amoeboid cells, amoebocytes. The second example, that is the Leucosolinia. This is the example of Leucosolinia. These are small asconide sponges. These are small pipes like, that's why it is called orange pipe sponge. Leucosolinia grows in branching colonies. These are grows in the branching forms, usually arising from a network of horizontal stolon like tubes. The next class, that is the Hexactinellida. Example is, it is also called the glass sponges. These are having six red siliceous spicules extending at right angles for a central point. These sponges are marine and occur in deep sea systems. They are cylindrical and funnel vase or urn shape. This is a funnel shape. They are various in sizes ranging from 10 cm to 30 cm. These sponges are commonly known as glass sponges because their structure is glass-like. The body wall is without any gelatinous matrix and outer epithelium. The amoebocytes fuse together to form a trabecular net bearing large opening. The canal system is leuconide type. The spicules mostly fuse together to form a network and a beautiful glass-like skeleton. Therefore, they are termed as glass sponges. They reproduce by asexual as well as sexual method. Asexual reproduction occurs by budding. Sexual reproduction occurs throughout the year. Example is Euplectella and Hyloneema. These are the example of the class Hexactinellida. It is also called as the Venus flower basket. They range from 7.5 cm to more than 1.3 meter in length. Distinguished feature skeleton of six red siliceous spicules bounded together into a network of glass-like structure. Tissues are syncytial network of fused amoeboid cells called a trabecular reticulum. The third class, that is the Demospongia, it is also called as the common sponges. These sponges are marine as well as freshwater. These sponges included in this class are Hornish sponges. They are bright colored like red, black, yellow, orange, etc. If they possess a skeleton, it is composed of non-hexactinellal siliceous spicules or spongin fibers. The canal system is of leuconide type. Asexual reproduction takes place by gemini formation. The larva is flagellated and called strogastrula. Example is the spongilla. This class Demospongia contains 95% of living sponge species, includes most large sponges, have siliceous spicules that are not six-red. Spicules may be bounded by spongin or may be absent. All members of the class are leuconide and all marine except for members of freshwater family Spongillidae. This is the Catri spongia. It is also called as the elephant's ear sponge because their structure is like elephant's ear, shaped like and expanded vas. Its main body consists of a broad leathery plate. Its skeleton is made up of only spongin and no spicules. It has numerous ostia in its surface and root spicules for attachment to host. The next example is the spongia. It is also called as the bath sponge. Size frequently over 10 cm in diameter. Globular, massive, quite variable in shape. Osculus, few in number on the upper side up to 1 cm in diameter. Consistency spongy, elastic, compressible, supple. These are the development of common spongy or Demospongia. Thank you.